Welcome to Calorwega, Philippines. And to your beloved Earl Jeremy and Ira, please, welcome to your wedding day. This is the day you've been waiting for, the day you've been saving up for, the day you've been praying for. After 3 years na kayo'y naging kayo, sa wakas nandito na.
Ibibigay, susulitin ang bawat segundo.
And sa liit ng mundo natin sa LV noon, sa labas pa talaga tayo nagkita. We truly got to know each other better through all the people and experiences we shared. And now, after all the challenges we faced, together, here we are.
Pag-ibig lang, di na ko malilinlang. Sandali na lang, di na ko maglilibang. Pag-ibig lang, di na ko malilinlang.
Instead, blessing, Jeremy said, I'm willing to wait. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali. When you're ready, I'll be there. And so, ganoon nga nangyari. Nagtagal pa. Nagkakilala po ang inyong mga pamilya at mga kaibigan sa isa't isa, sa inyong dalawa. And finally, April 2022, binalikan ni Ira kung sino ka sa buhay niya. Ang sabi ni Ira, si Jeremy, pinsan lang ako makakita ng isang lalaki, sobra-sobra ang pagmamahal sa kanyang pamilya. Ganyang lalaki, hindi dapat pakawalan.
And thank you po sa lahat-lahat ng sacrifices niyo para sa akin. And I wouldn't be as successful and as yung parang kung ano ako ngayon kung hindi po dahil sa iyo. Thank you. And I love you.
Love you. Love you too.
Naiiyak na.
Sandali na lang.
Looking back on our journey, it feels surreal to stand here with you as we step into this new chapter. Who would have thought that these two young adults trying to explore new cities and working away from their hometowns for the first time would actually find each other?
Ira, Jeremy, huwag kayong matakot. Maganda naman sumagot ng yes. Dagdagan nyo lang. Sabihin nyo, Father, kahit magbago ang puso ko, kahit magbago minamahal ko, tuloy pa din ang kasal dahil ang mas mahalaga, magbabago kami together.
Our love was slow motion. You made the world feel so new. Then in a moment, I feel the spirit.
I know that you know na I'm not good with my words, even expressing how I feel. But one thing is for sure, I know how to express when I am happy.
They always look like yours.
I promise to be with you through every triumph and every pain. Sabi mo nga sa akin lagi, you don't have to be alone anymore. You don't have to do everything alone because we're a team.
Grow in holiness a little. That's all you have to do. How do you do that? Simple lang. Starting today, don't just work for material wealth. Starting today, work also for spiritual wealth. Acquire spiritual wealth. Because spiritual wealth is how you're able to survive the things that will come after today.
Our love was slow motion. You made the world feel brand new. Then in a moment, I feel it split in two. Now after all
the day that I fell in love with you, to the next lifetimes, I'll continue to find you and I will always love and choose you. I love you, my Aralis and my wife.